guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today, I am so excited every time I get this. Today I have the Dot Boxx. This is for July. Do you want to see what's inside? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so again, my July Dot Boxx just arrived, and this has become my favorite lifestyle box. Now, a few of you guys are like, oh, that's a good box, but I don't need the period essentials, so guess what? The good thing about Dot Boxx is if you're getting too much, you don't have it, you can opt out of your period essentials. So that's what I did. I opted out of my period essentials in my profile so I can show you guys everything but. So now this is not a period box. This is just a lifestyle box. So let's go ahead and see what July has in store. If you don't know, Dot Boxx has two different subscriptions for the adult box. There is one which is the mini and one which is the premium. The mini is $24.99 and the premium is $39.99. The mini comes with 2 monthly surprises, up to 20 period essentials, which you can say no to, optional extras, and up to 3 comforting snacks. And the premium is what I get. That gives you up to 5 monthly surprises, and they're so amazing and make you feel special every time. You get up to 20 period essentials, and you can opt out, and then up to 4 yummy snacks as well. Now, they do have a My First Luna box, so if you do have a daughter, a niece, or just somebody that you know that it has not started yet but is on the verge of starting, you could always pick up the Luna box, and it has everything in it to get them started. So the day that they start, you're already prepared and you can give them to them, which I think that is amazing. The My Luna First Period box is $44.99, and it comes with so many wonderful things. And again, you can just have it sit there waiting on reserve. So as soon as that day happens, here you go. So enough about that. Again, if you do want the period essentials, you can choose from pads to tampons to everything in between, all different types of brands, and you put it on your profile. They do have a profile where you get to tell them if you like baths, if you like showers, your clothing size, because sometimes they'll send you amazing shirts, comfortable like clothes. You get all different types of stuff, and if they send you bath bombs versus shower steamers, your profile helps them tailor your box to your profile. So let's go ahead and get in here. Again, this is no period related. This is just the everything else inside to show you all the goodies that we get every month. So let's go ahead and get this box open because I'm so excited. Last month was amazing. Every month is amazing, but the kimono that I got in that one, oh my goodness, you guys, I use that kimono all the time. Yes, I do. And I like that one better than the one that I got in FabFitFun. That's a fact. All right, you guys, I got 3 spots here. All right, cut the tape everywhere. And it has their sticker, hey, beautiful, because we all are. Let's go ahead and get in here. It's all teal green. Look at my favorite color. I get so excited when I see my favorite colors. And then here is their card. How cute is that? And it says, girl, it's hot outside. It's not a wee bit hot, as we Southerns say, or kinda hot. It's thighs sticking to plastic lawn chairs hot. Yes, it is here in Florida, let me tell you. While we can't turn down the sun, we can surely curate products that make your time outdoors more bearable. Check it out. And it goes over the different items that we will be having in here. So let's go ahead and see. And again, without the card, look at all my teal. Yay! I love that color. I just love that color. So let me get some of these aside so we can get to all these goodies in here. All right, you guys. So first thing right on top, we have 2 of these showerless body wipes. One is in a Kiwano Starfish and one is Dandelion Dragon. Get fresh fast. No shower, no water, no problem. These would be amazing, especially if you went camping or if you're out, like if your kids have any type of sports and you're out in the sun all day and you just want a little wipe down to make yourself feel a little more refreshed. Wipe skin to instantly remove dirt, oil, and outdoor safe for all areas on your skin. Hit the snooze button. Get in extra workout, or even in your gym bag. That's an amazing thing too. If you have a gym bag, it says you play sports, travel the world, date night anytime, go camping for days, grind it out at work, stay busy, stay beautiful. So here's 2 of those. And what it says is, after sitting in the blistering heat for an outdoor wedding, I went to the restroom and saw a mom using these freshen up herself and her kids. I immediately thought, I have to get those for my girls. 3 times bigger and 2 times thicker than the average baby wipe. They can be used for your whole body without ripping or tearing. They're rich in moisture, tea tree, and antibacterial fighting peppermint oil, and safe for all skin types, even sensitive skin. Toss in your bag to freshen up after sun exposure, yoga, running, hiking, etc., and keep it moving. So that is amazing, especially in this time of season. Those are really cool. You never know when you're gonna need them, so that's awesome. Okay, so next we have is our snacks. Don't mind if I do. Don't mind if I do. You always get amazing snacks, which I love. Snacks on snacks on snacks. So let's get in here and see what we get. Ooh, this says Treat House Rice Krispie Treat. Chocolate peanut butter Rice Krispie Treat? Yes, please, and thank you. I've never heard of that before, and I can't wait to try it. Air cheese, Gouda crunchy cheese bites. That sounds really cool. Never heard of those before. And then the last one in here is greyghostbakery.com. Scratch made cookies, chocolate espresso. Oh, yes, a Southern favorite recipe. Oh my goodness. Those sound and look amazing. And they are soft. I don't want to like crunch them, but they are really soft. Okay, so next in here is Nature Republic Aloe Vera 92% Soothing Gel. And that is a big container of it. So if you are in the sun, if you have kids that are in the sun, this is amazing to put on your skin afterwards so you can protect your skin so you don't get that nasty peeling, all of that stuff. You can protect your skin. Aloe vera is so important to have in the summer months. So that is amazing to have in here. This is definitely right for this summer. So this can also go if you have, again, if your kids have sports, if you go to the beach, the park, anything like that. This is an amazing thing to have after a day in the sun. Everybody needs to protect our skin. So that is amazing. So the aloe vera soothing gel says, aloe vera aids in healing of sunburns by moisturizing your skin, preventing peeling normally associated with sun damage. It can also be used as a moisturizer, makeup base, acne scar treatment, I never knew that, after shaving soothing gel, and more. You're going to get the goods out of this girl. Aftershave soothing gel, soothe puffy eyes, damage hair treatment, use like a hair serum for instant shine and rejuvenation of dry and damaged hair. So there's so many different things that you can do on here with it too. That's awesome. I never knew any of that. So next we have in here is, ooh, this is neat. For if you have any kids that are in sports, or you're at the beach, the park, anywhere outside, put water in here. And it has the little, does this battery operated, or how does this? So you put the water in here. No, okay, so wide mouth opening for ice. Ooh, so you can even put ice in there. So it stays extra cold. That's cool. And it requires 2 AAA batteries that are not included. And then you would turn it on, the little fan, little whoop-de-woo. You spray yourself and you can get a nice, refreshing, cooling air mist. That is awesome. Definitely to have in this time of year. Yes. So let's, oh, and it even comes with this little handy dandy little tiny screwdriver to open up the battery compartment. So let's see what that one there says. It says O2 Cool Spray Mist Fan. There's nothing like being hot and sweaty, whether you're sitting poolside, camping, fishing, or a fan of your kids' sporting event, this portable fan is the perfect companion to stay cool. It's compact enough to fit into your beach or sports bag. All you need is water. You can also add ice and this says AA batteries, but on here it says AAA batteries. So I'm assuming it is a AAA battery because it's a small compartment. So AAA batteries is what the package says. And yeah, so there is that. Okay, you guys. So next we have is a Hydrate Spearmint Lip Balm. See, everything in here is perfectly curated for the summer because you keep your lips nice and moisturized in this hot heat. So chapstick is very important. Lip balm is very important. So we have a lip balm. It says Hydrate Peppermint Lip Balm is the ultimate all-natural lip balm that takes dry, cracked lips and floods them with superior hydration. Every minty application brings a gentle cooling sensation and seals moisture in while providing nourishing vitamin E for smooth and happy lips. So everything so far, you guys, is perfect for the summer. Summertime. Okay, so now we have this guy right here. I am not sure what in the world this is, but we will find out. Okay, so it's something that you could hang. There's a little opening there, and it has like little holes, like breathable holes. Let's see here. What is this? Oh, it's a cooling towel. Compact in size, this chemical-free cooling towel keeps cool for up to 2 hours. Carrying case and carabiner clip make it convenient for on the go. How to activate: wet, wring, snap, and wear. That is cool, and I love this color, you guys. It's my favorite color. Oh, so it's a long one, so you can even tie like around your neck. And yeah, so you get it wet, you wring it out, you snap it out, and you wear it out. That's awesome. And then when you are done with it, you fold it back up, and that's why it has the breathing hole, so it can still dry if it's wet in there. So that is awesome. There's that. Okay, you guys, so there's one more item left in here, and that is, again, my favorite color. It says Summer Vibes, and this looks like a mason jar, but it is plastic, and it is a thinner plastic to where if it drops, it's not going to break. Especially it's not glass, so you won't get glass anywhere if it does fall over. It has the lid, and then here is the straw. Yeah, that's awesome. Yes, I say awesome all the time because this is awesome. So there is this. This is a custom cup with straw from Drink Logic. Stay hydrating is essential, especially during summer. This custom cutie comes with a fun summer colors and a sleek silhouette that fits in any car, sports, or camping chair cup holder on the go. So it's designed to fit in any type of cup holder as well. So that is really cool. And it says Summer Vibes. And of course, it's my favorite color. Yes. Okay, you guys, so that is everything that we received. We got this amazing cup that you can take anywhere on the go, and it fits perfectly in any type of a cup holder. We have this cooling towel that keeps you cool for up to 2 hours, which is perfect for the summertime, especially if your kids are in sports and you have to sit there and watch them. You have this really neat fan that will blow cold water at you, and it's big enough to put ice cubes so you can even get it even colder. So that's cool. Next we have is the lip balm to keep your lips nice and moisturized during this heat. You have the aloe vera to help protect your skin, which I'm all for protecting our skin from this heat. You have the moist wipes that you can put in your gym bag, your travel bag, your camping bag, your summer bag, your beach bag, your car, whatever. And whenever you need a little freshen me up, you're covered. They got you covered. And you have some amazing snacks to try out. So that is everything that came in this box. You guys, that's the good thing about this. You can have the period essentials or you don't have to. This time I did not because I wanted to show you guys how this box is amazing without it. Yes, it is amazing. That's right. I use that word a lot when something is amazing and only when it's amazing. And that is what this is. So if you guys want to check them out, the link will be down below. You can follow that link to check out their site. You can do one-time boxes. You can do the full-on box. You have the My Luna box. They also have a teen box if you have a teen that has their period and you want to get them something special every month to look forward to. And you have the profile that you can set. You can say which time of the week, if you want the first week, the second week, the third week, or the fourth week. So it does come. Even if you don't get your period anymore and you want just a little pick-me-up in the beginning of the month, you could say the first week if you want it in the middle of the month, just to kind of tell you, hey, I'm giving you a little surprise during the middle of the month. Or if you want to get it at the end of the month, you can still choose which time of the month you get your box. So it doesn't have to be just period related. You can get this box whenever you want based on your profile preference. So if you just want to surprise yourself, give you a little pick-me-up, something to feel good about yourself, you can choose which time of the month to receive this box. You can choose to get the period essentials. If you know somebody who needs them, you can donate them, keep them for house guests. If you do want to get them, you can get just the panty liners, the pain relievers, the heating pads, that kind of thing, because anybody really could use those. You get tea as well. You can choose as an option. So this is just an amazing box, you guys. And I tell you that, and I mean that, because this always makes me feel good. I love getting this box every month. I've been watching this being unboxed for a very, very long time. So I'm so glad that they're sending this to me. Thank you again, Dot Boxx, for doing that. I greatly appreciate you guys. You're an amazing company. And yeah, so thank you guys so much for tuning in. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you would like to see the future videos that I load for you guys. And until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. I'm gonna go fill this up and because it is hot. You can see it is hot. I just got home from work and it is hot up in here. It's over 80 degrees in my house. Again, this is how it's gonna be the rest of the summer. Oh my gosh, hurry up, winter. So that is everything, you guys. I will see you on the next one. Bye.